Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to cook Tau Yu Bak, a truly comforting and flavorful dish. To begin, you'll need 1 kilogram of pork belly, cut into 2-inch pieces. Also, prepare 5 cloves of smashed garlic and a 2-inch piece of sliced ginger. For the sauces, have 100 milliliters of dark soy sauce and 200 milliliters of light soy sauce ready. Finally, 50 grams of rock sugar and 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder complete our essential ingredients. Now, let's get that pork ready. First, marinate your pork belly pieces with some of the soy sauces and the 5-spice powder for about 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to really penetrate the meat. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a sturdy pot over medium-high heat. Carefully add the marinated pork and sear it until all sides are beautifully browned. This step is super important for developing a deep, rich flavor and a lovely color for our Tau Yu Bak. With the pork nicely seared, it's time to build our delicious sauce. Add the smashed garlic, sliced ginger, the rest of your soy sauces, and the rock sugar to the pot. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of water, making sure the pork is mostly submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer. You'll want to simmer it for at least 1.5 hours or until the pork is wonderfully fork tender. As our Tau Yu Bak finishes simmering, give the sauce a taste and adjust the seasoning with a little more soy sauce or sugar if you like. The sauce should be a perfect balance of savory and slightly sweet, with a lovely glossy sheen. This dish is best served hot, alongside fluffy steamed white rice or comforting plain congee. For a final touch, garnish with some fresh cilantro or chopped spring onions to add a wonderful burst of freshness. Enjoy this classic, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.